Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Friends, in that video I'm going to share with you anti-aging tomato face mask to remove wrinkles and fine lines naturally, and to get rid of wrinkles and fine lines and to look younger than your age with very simple ingredients. This face mask is super effective and super helpful. The first ingredient we will need is 1 tomato, and we need a small tomato, and with a grate or shredder, shred the tomato like so. Around 2 teaspoons of fresh tomato puree or tomato juice, then we need to add on it 1 or 2 teaspoons of aloe vera gel, and here I'm using the market aloe vera gel. You can use natural aloe vera gel instead, and add 1 teaspoon of fresh aloe vera gel. Then we need instant coffee, and add 1 teaspoon of instant coffee. And mix well all the ingredients. Our face mask is ready. Apply it on clean skin that has no makeup or dust. Apply it on your face, on your neck, on your hands, on feet, on any place that you do have wrinkles and fine lines, and it will disappear naturally. In 6 days you will notice a great results in your skin. This is super effective mask, super helpful, rich in vitamin C and caffeine, which will help tremendously in removing wrinkles and fine lines and to look way younger than your age. And my friends, the result will amaze you. Use it every day to get the best results.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.